The good news is Claude Fable 5 is back. The bad news is you cannot access it using the free run using Anthropic. So if you go to Anthropic and you check among the models, it says if you want to use Fable 5, then you have to upgrade. It also says it will be included here until July 7. But what if you don't want to upgrade? What other options do you have? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Claude Fable 5 for 30 days for free. So let's get started. So the platform that we are using is called GitLab. And inside here, you see that if I paste my prompt under the models, you see I'm using Claude Fable 5, and there are also other models that you can choose from here. But if I hit enter, then you can see that Claude Fable 5 is working. I'm going to show you the output soon. Just wanted something simple, so it built me this. After I copied this and added it to my HTML, this is what it created. And this is something simple that I wanted to do just to show you that this is working. This is responsive based on the mouse. This is not something big, just simple to show you that this is a working approach. So let's get started and see how you can set this up. So to avoid wasting your time, let me point out that this is a free trial provided by GitLab. They give you a 30 days free trial. The good thing is you don't have to provide a credit card. So I think this is worthy trying. Let's continue. You're going to go to gitlab.com. I'm going to share the link in the description below. What I would prefer is to use my Google account. I'll select my account. It is going to ask you to provide some more details. After finalizing your registration, it is going to take you to this page. Now, there are a lot of things you can do with GitLab, but the focus of this video is to test Claude Fable 5 using GitLab. So to do that, you're going to go to AI and you're going to go to Agents. And right here, you're going to see there is Explore the AI catalog. But what you're looking for is the GitLab Duo Agent platform. And if you maximize this, it is going to tell you that you need to try GitLab Duo Agent platform. And for you to try this platform, you're going to click on Start a Free Trial. All right, so this is just going to ask you a few details before you activate your trial. So I'm going to go ahead and activate my trial. As you can see, this did not require you to provide a credit card. And now we are on this dashboard. So to go back to GitLab Duo Chat, you can click that. And right here, that's where you can now test Fable 5. So inside here, you can see it says chat with different agents. And right here, we have these agents. And we also have Fable 5. So this is Claude Fable 5 by Anthropic. And if I select it and I say hi, let's see, and you can see it is responding. You can see it says I am GitLab Duo, but in the backend, it is using Claude Fable 5. So that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you have any platform that you would recommend as well, please share in the description below. It will help a lot of people. Until next time, have a great time.